Alright guys, what's up? It's Winnis, and today I'm going to be showing off a mod for you guys, and this mod is called the Compress Blocks version 2.1, and the balancing is done. And so this mod is a pretty cool mod. I've been looking for something like this for a while, just because I have usually all my diamond in blocks, all my iron in blocks, all my gold in blocks, and all my lapis in blocks, but my redstone and coal are just kind of there and taking up space. So this kind of saves you there, and it makes your inventories and chests look better. So yeah, and it also has some practical uses like fuel and stuff like that. So let's get started. First, we're gonna make the redstone block series. So you're gonna take coal. Now we're gonna make the coal block series first. If you take coal and you make a coal block, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, it'd be pretty nice to use for decoration. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make 8 more of these, and to make you guys will see exactly why we're making 8 of these in a second. And there we go. We have 9 of them now. And what we're gonna do with these 9 is we're gonna place them like this. And now we get a dense coal block. So a dense coal block is just like a coal block, I mean, but it's even more compact than storage. So we're gonna keep that in our inventory. And we're also gonna keep 1 regular coal block in our inventory, just for later demonstrations. So we're done with the coal now. Now we're gonna make a redstone block. And it works the same way, just 9 blocks of redstone. And the textures are really nice. I like them, and it's illuminating. So you can use this as a replacement for glowstone or jack-o'-lanterns or whatever. So now we're going to make 8 more redstone blocks. So let me just lay out the redstone for this. And we have our 9 redstone blocks. Now with these, you can make a dense redstone block. And we're also going to make 1 more redstone block just for our purposes here. So, 1 second guys. Sorry, okay, I have to do something real quick. But, it's simple. This is how it works. I'm reading this right off the forum page, so I'm getting everything right here. 9 coal or 9 redstone equals 1 coal or redstone block. 9 redstone or coal blocks equals 1 dense redstone or coal block. A dense coal block gives you 1 diamond. A dense redstone block gives you 3 diamond. So we're going to put to test this out, we're going to put a dense coal block in here. And we're going to put a dense coal block, and we're going to smelt it. And we're going to get a diamond. We're going to put a redstone block in. And we're going to get 3 diamond. So that's how those work. Now, the other thing that you can do is, let me get a different furnace here. Let me get something to smelt. Let's just take, for example, some cobblestone. If you put a coal block in the bottom, put cobblestone, the coal block will last for 64. So 1 coal block will smelt this entire cobblestone, which is pretty cool, but it's also not as worth it, because with 8 coal, right now you can smelt an entire stack, whereas with 9 coal you're going to get a cobblestone, an entire stack smelted. So it is more worth it just to use 8 individual coal pieces, but it's just kind of cool how it runs on the same fuel source for that entire time. Now next, we're going to use a redstone block as fuel. Now a redstone block is actually very useful, but it's also kind of tedious, I guess you could say at points, because a redstone block will smelt 2 stacks. So once a stack is done, you're going to have to put another one right away. So, I mean, it could be a waste of fuel, it couldn't not, but I mean, I wouldn't recommend using it as much as just regular coal and redstone blocks. And finally, we're going to use a dense coal block. So let me just spawn one in real quick, because I don't want to make one. Where are you? A dense coal block. And you put a dense coal block in, and you're going to get, let's take a dense coal block will smelt for 576 uses. So this is just insane, guys. A dense coal block will smelt for so long, but the problem is that you can't stack more than 64. So you're going to have to have 64 smelted, take it out, put more in, and you're going to have to keep watching it. But then again, it is a great use of fuel, and the diamonds that you can get also out of it is pretty sweet too. So that is the most of the mod there, and it's a pretty sweet mod. I like it. I definitely recommend you downloading it. I'm sure it took a lot of hard work to make, and that's about it, guys. I will see you next time on my mod showcases or let's play or anything like that.